What's up guys, it's Eric back again with another review. So today we have the latest from Injen, as you can see from this big box in front of me. So this is the new Evolution intake for the Toyota Supra 2020 A90 6-cylinder, because in the future when the 4-cylinder comes out, I'm pretty sure this intake won't fit. Online it says that it's a horsepower increase of 18 horsepower and 26 pounds-foot of torque. So I'm guessing that's without a tune, because those cars, from what I see when they're tuned, they gain a lot of power. And if you guys aren't familiar, the Evolution intake is the one that has the airbox with their intakes. They also have another version which doesn't have the airbox. And overall, Injen has pretty good quality for the Evolution intakes. So we shall check it out. Here I go. So I wanted to review this item because, as you guys know, the Supra is very hot right now, and the products are starting to roll out for the Supra. As they come out, I'll try to do more and more videos. So there's not that many intakes out for this car yet. So this could be one of the choices if you just happen to have one of the early birds. Alright, just like all their other Injen products, they like to use a lot of the paper as cushion. Very big box. So I'm gonna take out all the paper. Here's the instruction how to install the intake. Put it to the side. I mean, usually with intakes, they are pretty easy to install. Alright, I'm gonna put the intake down here and just take out the things one by one for you guys to see. Alright, first components. So these are the piping, the clamps, and what is this called? The adapter. So actually these are instructions. These are instructions on how to clean the filter. So there we go. Here's the box, and they have the filter stuffed in here, wrapped in paper. So I'll just talk about the box a little bit. The boxing is very nice quality. So I think a lot of these companies these days, they just kind of scan the car and then develop the intake on the computer and then just make it kind of like AFE. So as you can see, the Evolution's right here. So here's the filter. This is the dry filter, so it's not oiled. So with these filters, you can't clean them. You just vacuum them, and then it does a pretty good job of cleaning them. So here's the filter, decent size. And here's the last piece. So I'm gonna put it together so you guys can see an idea of how the intake looks like when it's assembled. So there was also a heat shield that I forgot to take out of the box. It was hidden in the paper. So here's a heat shield as well. Anyways, that's loosely put in. I don't want to cut in too much. But okay, so there it is. Your sensor goes there, map sensor. Overall, pretty good quality. I would say if you have a Supra, and it's pretty light too. The Mishimoto one was pretty heavy because it has the whole metal box. But this one's pretty good quality. I would recommend it, and I believe it's not too pricey. It's worth a try. I would prefer these with the airbox over the ones without, where it's just kind of like a tubing, intake tube to a filter. I feel like in the engine bay, it doesn't look as nice too. This adds a little bit good flair to your car, especially if you have a launch edition. You have a little bit of red. But that is it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys can give me a subscribe and like this video. I'm gonna try to do more Supra parts. They are slowly coming in, so whenever I get it, I'll try to do a video for you guys. So subscribe if you guys want to keep updated with all the Supra parts incoming. And that's it. Until next time. Peace out, guys. Peace.